Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be installing a weatherguard saddle box on a pickup truck. Let's get started. All right, first thing you need to do is grab your installation guide out of the box. There's a little QR code on here to scan it with your phone. You can download that and make sure that you're following the manufacturer provided installation guidance. We're doing our best to follow that as well, but let's get started on the truck. We're just taking measurements here to make sure it's centered in the bed. The way this clamps on is it's actually going to go through. This goes underneath the bed rail, under like that, and your bolt's going to go through these pre-cut holes in the box, and you're going to have a washer and a lock nut. You tighten it down, you're going to 2 per side. Now once you get these snug, you're going to torque them to 5 foot-pounds. Now the accessory tray, once you get it in there, you can just leave it how it is, but there are some holes on the edges. You can use some self-threading screws if you want to attach those down so it doesn't move around. Otherwise, it's good to go. All right, finally, you're going to want to key your locks, and you do that by taking the sticker off the lock cylinder and put your key in there. You turn it 3/4 away, and that's going to key your lock to your specific keys. We have another video that shows you how to key the locks on the cylinders for your weatherguard 03 and 04 boxes. So check that out if you need more information on how to key the locks. Now, if you're looking for these weatherguard toolboxes or any other equipment to get your van or work truck ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. My name is Ryan. Have a good one.